Okay, it's recording.
Gotcha.
Okay, I can't cross the border. Oh, I can't cross the border. This is like the area.
Well, you gotta come back closer so you're in the video. Ow! You gotta step closer so you're in the video. Reload, hurry up. You ready? Oh, I missed.
This stupid thing won't even work.
Ow! Gotcha. Gotcha. Ah! Missed me.
That's why they made the accurate bullets.
You gotta come closer so you're in the video. Gotcha.
Ow! Gosh, don't shoot me right there. That hurt.
Ouch! You got me.
No.
Oh, missed ya. Gotcha. Right in the gun.
Right on the gun. Nope. That's a nope for you. Dad, you went too far. I think we're not in the video.
Well, yeah, I have to go get the bullet.
Wait a minute. Where's the other bullet?
Right here.
No, like the
Oh,
other.
I missed ya. It's way out in the driveway.
Okay. Ah. I had to get out of the video for a sec.
Gotcha. Ow!
That's why I got.
Those are accurate fire. Ah, I got you right in the ball.
Got me butt.
Ow!
Oh my god, I almost cut your head. I think I probably broke your rule.
You're out of the video. You gotta step closer. 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 I'll give you a chance to reload.
I'm reloaded.
Are you? Okay, ready?
Just shoot me. Ow! That hurt. That like bruised me down. Shoot, no. This is why I should probably. Sorry, out of the video. No, get me. Oh gosh, no.
I want to watch that in slow motion.
Give me a chance to reload.
Okay.
Give me a chance. Just put this extra bullet.
See, that gun takes too long to reload. I don't know if we should get one of those. Ah!
Only to put all the bullets back in. This is kind of like my shark fire.
Kind of. Ow!
This is why I wanted to buy the Falcon Fire. Gosh, no. No. Ow!
Ouch! You alright?
I mean, it's easier. I got it.
Well, don't just stand there.
Ah!
Gotcha.
It really hurt. You hurt
Where'd it
bad.
go?
I've got it. Take
got
trade
them all?
bullets.
You got all four?
Want to trade bullets?
Let's watch the video.
No, trade bullets. Wait, where's the?
I know it's going. It's over here somewhere.
Oh no! There's a bullet already. Hitting me. Did you shoot it?
No, you shot me, and I didn't see where it went.
Wait, is it in here? No. Oh. I thought it was going to be in there. Turns out it's not. Found it? Oh, could you give me it? Because that's properly for this gun. Properly. Check. Check it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Not me. Gotta keep moving.
Where did it go?
Oh, I see it. Holy shit. Is that the...
No, the other orange is over there.
You scared me. Ow!
Wow.
I wasn't ready for that. Trade.
Want it?
Trade. Up. I like these bullets. I like these bullets better because they're more proper used for these. Okay. Guys, we're back. We're back. We're back. Looking at the camera. But, okay, Dan, so this is the last shot for me. And then after that, we'll shoot the camera. No. Okay, okay, fine. We'll shoot the camera now.
Shooting into the camera. Oh.
Maybe. Got it. Oh. This thing looks way too long to reload.
Oh, right over the top.
Oh, right on the lens. Right on the camera lens. Got it right on the camera.
Oh.
That was not me.
Right over the top.
Be back in a sec.
Oh.
Watch out. Gosh. Why does it... Okay, I might crouch to the ground.
Oh, right over the top.
Got it!
Oh, that was pretty good.
It gets the aim quite right if you just crouch down. Boom! If you crouch down, you can get it just right with this. Bullet retrieval will be like that.
One last shot.
No, I might just keep continuing the video.
Okay, last shot. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Missed again. Oh, that was a good one. If that wasn't on the lens, it was really close.
Gosh.
Ooh.
Pretty close. Try on it. Guys, bye.
Bye.